let me explain how the power jet works. The theory behind it. I've never used one before, so I honestly, you know, it's my first time, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. But let's look at it this way. Let's say that this can right here, its main jet works perfect in my bike. Okay, let's say that this is 100. Now I'm just using that as a reference. What I mean is 100%. Okay. What the power jet does is, what I will have to do is drill out a 9/32 hole right in here in this boss, and this jet extender will go right down in like this right here. Okay, and you can see that let's see if I can, the inside of this is hollow except for a nipple boss. Nipple boss. Sounds like a porno. What fits inside here is one of these 3 jets right here. Mikuni jets. And they, like all the other jets, are numbered for their orifice size. And Mikuni has their own numbers. Everything else, you can look it up on the web, whatever you want to do. Okay. The main thing what we're doing is this. I will take this jet that works perfect, and it is 100%. Okay? I will take it and I will replace it with another jet that is an 80 or 80%. Okay? It will be 1/5 smaller in the main jet body right here. Then what I do is I take out this overflow right here, and I attach this nipple boss, and this time it's for real. I attach it right to here, or here, wherever I want to attach it, and I run a line right here, rubber line, from the bottom of the fuel cup all the way to the top of the power jet. So what we have here is we have an 80 jet that I'm going to put in here. So I'm 20% underfed. I will put in here, I will put in a jet that is 20% of the one I just took out. So it fits in like this. So you can see where the fuel goes in right here. It is forced down through that jet and out this opening, and will be basically like this. It will shoot fuel directly into the back of the carburetor. Now, how it works, if I'm using 100% of the jet capacity, or the jet capacity, how it helps, I don't know, but it's something cool, so I'm going to try it. And then the paper on this says that if your low end doesn't work correctly, or up to 80%, then you want to get a little bit bigger jet. If the top end seems like it's starving, then you want to put a little bit bigger jet in here. And that's how the power jet supposedly, that's the mechanics of how it works, of how it's done. I don't know what kind of power gains I'll get. It'll just one more toy I get to play with and change and fix. On our next few videos, I'm going to talk about how you adjust your throttle cable. There are 3 adjustments. This is only one on the carburetor. There are 2 others on your accelerator, your throttle cable line. Okay, my battery's gone dead, so anyway, I'm going to post these. Thank you.